My grandson. So we're going to the moon. Going to the moon, baby. Let us learn about the moon. No, you look, you see. Look, and si Ma'am Katie, oh. Zoom. Flying to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going. No, we're leaving soon. Ah. No, very good. No, ang ganda ni Miss Katie. Oh, baby, oh. Na. Oh, ang galing ni Miss Katie. Oh, enjoy ang baby. Oh. Oh. Na. Yay! Clap your hands, clap your hands. Very good. Ano yan? Zoom. Na. Saan si Ma'am Katie? Roar daw. Ano yun? Roar. Ano yun, baby? Roar. Roar. What is that? Nasabi ni Ma'am Katie, ano daw yan? Lion. It's a lion. Lion? No. Ah. Lion, baby. Oh, baby, oh, lion. Oh, monkey. Giraffe. Cat. Roar, 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 la. Roar, 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 la. Galing ni Ma'am Katie. Na si monkey. Smile. Ay, very good ang baby namin. No. No, smile Ma'am Katie. Peek-a-boo. 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 Very good. Munch, 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 munch. At sa'yo ng baby namin, biyag lang. Nakasmile talaga tingin kay Miss Katie. Enjoy siya. Galing ni Miss Katie, no? Ang ganda niya, no? Ang baby namin, di. No. What is that? Peek-a-boo? Na, very good.